Hello guys, welcome to my channel NEET UG by Dr. Priya Sharma. Today we are going to solve 2020 biology question paper. The repetition of these questions are maximum. So daily we are going to solve 10 questions. Let's begin with the first question. Identify the substance having glycosidic bond and peptides bond respectively in the structure. Glycosidic and peptide. Glycosidic is present in inulin and peptide is in. So option should be fourth. Why? Inulin is a fructan. Adjacent fructose unit are linked through glycosidic bond. Insulin is from 51 amino acid attached through peptide bond. Next question. The plant's parts which consist of two generations, one within the other. Pollen grains inside the anther, germinated pollen grain with two male gametes, seed inside the fruit, embryo sac inside the ovule. What should be the answer, guys? For me, it should be fourth option. Why? The plant parts which consist of two generations, one within the other, are pollen grains inside the another and embryo sac inside the ovule. Pollen grain is haploid inside the diploid anther. Embryo sac is haploid inside the diploid ovule. The products of reactions catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodules of leguminous plant are obviously amino and hydrogen. Why? You can see this reaction. Identify the correct statement with the regard of G1 phase of interphase. Correct statement. You have to mark when the question is asking correct, incorrect, wrong statements. Okay. What should be the answer? Option third. Why? During G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active and continuous growth but does not replicate its DNA. DNA synthesis takes place in S phase. Nuclear division occurs during karyokinesis. Reorganization of all cell contains place in M phase. Next question. Cuboidal epithelium with brush border of microvilli is found in. What should be the answer, guys? Proximal convoluted tubules of nephron. Which of the following statement of the inclusions are incorrect? C. Incorrect statement is asked over here. What should be the answer? These are involved in ingestion of food and particles. Obviously, inclusion body are not involved. Which of the important sites of information of glycoproteins and glycolipids in eukaryotic cells? What is the important site? What should be the answer, guys? Third, Golgi bodies. In gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of ethidium bromide in UV radiation. Identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. See, the guys, wrong statement is asked over here. We have to read the question paper carefully. Answer is third. Why? Because higher H plus concentration favors the dissociation of oxygen and oxyhemoglobin in tissue. In alveoli, high PO2, low PCO2, lesser H plus concentration and lower temperature favors formation of oxyhemoglobin. Ray florets have. What should be the answer, guys? Inferior ovary. Yesterday we have solved 10 questions and today 10 questions. Total 20 questions we have already solved from 2020 question papers. If you carry on like this, soon we are going to solve all the questions and get prepared for NEET examination. Hope you have all liked this video and was beneficial to all NEET UG 2022 and 2023 aspirants. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, you will get all the official updates from NTA on this channels. Thank you and all the best NEET UG aspirants.